pressure. We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm.
What's up, beauties? It's your girl Kara Janae, and we are back. As y'all seen by the intro, things have changed. It's a little bit different around here. You know why? We finally hit 200 subscribers. Y'all, we finally hit 200 plus subscribers. Emotions are high. I'm thinking about doing a wig giveaway. Stay tuned for the details. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, beauty, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. The packaging was very cute. I loved it. Although nothing else came in the box, the wig speaks for itself, and that should say enough. So I did get this wig off of Amazon. The vendor is AfsisterWigs. This is the 13x4 HD frontal wig. It is a body wave texture. It had no smell, no shedding thus far. And it comes with 2 wig combs on the sides, 1 in the back and 1 in the middle. Also, y'all, it comes with an elastic band, so the wig is secured. So I am going to customize this wig. I want to do the little skunk stripe that the girlie's been doing. So that's what I did. I bought me some blonde meat. I separated the area that I wanted to be blonde out. And then I mixed all my stuff together and I did it. So now I'm just going to stop talking and let y'all watch me work. Okay, beauty, so real quick, this one is for the girls that ain't already on. Start using lace tint for your wigs. I ain't even gonna say nothing else about it. Go ahead and go to your local beauty supply and let them know that Kara Janae sent you. Alright, beauty, so right here I'm just showing you everything that I use. I did not put any glue on this wig. I just feel like it lays a lot flatter when I didn't. So yeah, I went ahead and did that. Sprayed my outside with that bold hose spray and laid my elastic band around the edges. And so now right here I'm just flattening out the front and making my part more defined. And then y'all will see what it's looking like when I take that band off. Alright, beauty. So after that last clip, I did go out and celebrate my line sister's birthday. It was crazy turned up. But I was like, let's get back to business and show the girls how to let baby hairs. So let's get into it.
We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. Someone to set my heart free. We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my
Alright, bees, don't fight me on this, but I did stop using the bowl hole glue and I started using this Wonderlay spray to lay my frontals. Literally, y'all, it's so much faster. I don't have to layer 3 layers and wait for it to get tacky. And the cleanup is so much faster. Like, the wig is gonna be melted. That's one thing we are gonna do. But this is just a way easier method.
We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. Someone to set my heart free. When I met you, I just knew my pleasure. We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize.
Okay, beauty, so in that last clip, my edges were a little crusty. All I'm doing here is going around my edges with a wet napkin and cleaning up all that excess spray. I also went ahead and combed out my baby hairs so they're soft. And yeah, that's it, that's all. What my girl Viva could say? Wait, that ain't her name.
We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been
beauty, so this is the wig applied to my head. I just want to show y'all the natural texture of this wig. This is one of those wigs when they say it's body wave, it's actually body wave. It's giving very much wet and wavy. I'm finna get a pull in my hair, don't curl up. She's biracial. Yeah, all of that. Alright beauties, I showed you how it looked with its natural texture, but I also wanted to give you guys a look at how it looks curled. And I love it here. And you will see that right now. Alright beauties, to get entered into this wig raffle is literally free $99. All you have to do is like this video, share this video, and send me a screenshot to either my Twitter or my Instagram. Names are right here. And then comment done where you're done. That's it. That's all. Not hard. I know you want a free wig. Comment done where you're done. So this is the end of the hair review. I just want to say thank you guys so much for continuing to tune in. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm.